No one has ever ascended but he who descended. But I am telling you, you did descend. We all came down together. One man fell carrying all. He chose us in him before the foundation of the world. And if one fell, then we all in him fell. One was crucified, all were crucified. So we are the ones who hang upon the tree. As you got told in Acts, and they hanged him upon a tree. Now we are told in Deuteronomy, cursed be everyone who hangs upon a tree. And then in Galatians, he took upon himself a curse because he was hanged upon a tree. For this is the perfect tree. It is a perfect tree. And when the eye was opened, he saw men like trees walking. This is where Christ is hanging. And he's buried in everyone until you awake. And when you awake, you are the Lord and the Father of Christ.